Okay, Mr. Rucker, I'm gonna put you in with the next one.
This is the matter of the people versus Lavelle Williams, Z ticket 805733, one count of operating while intoxicated. This is the date and time for sentencing. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rosemary Dare on behalf of Lavelle Williams.
Mr. Williams, if you could state your name for the record, please.
Williams.
You broke up. Can you say it one more time?
Lavelle Williams.
I adjourned this matter from a couple of weeks ago because I wanted the opportunity to think about how I want to proceed in this matter. When is it that you go in for your time in Oakland County, I think it is?
It's October 26th, Judge.
And it's for 30 days?
Correct. I mean, or more. That was the cop's evaluation, but that's the least she's going to do, plus the 2 years, the 18 months of intensive counseling.
I don't want him to miss his appointment there at that. I'm going to have to do an in-person sentencing though, because I am going to give jail time in this matter. So we need to find a date that's going to be available to everybody. What is your suggestion, Attorney Dwyer?
Okay, so the court won't consider concurrent jail time to what he's going to have then?
No.
Well, so you're talking about, when are you talking about, before or after that date?
Well, I don't want him to get messed up with his sentencing date, and I know that's just in a few weeks. And I know he's not prepared today to go in because he has child care issues. But I guess if I could, we could put it a little ways out, then I can know for sure how long she can sentencing him to. So when he's released, he can come through the time that I'm going to give him in my matter.
Would it be? I'm sorry.
I'm tentatively
Hearing you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's a little quiet for some reason.
Okay, I'll try and talk a little louder. Just so he knows what I'm tentatively going to do, because I know he's going to have to be on probation in Oakland County, and that's a little bit more serious because it is a felony at that point in time. That I'm going to sentence him to a certain amount of jail time here in Wayne County and close it out so that he doesn't have double probation and have to run around and do everybody's stuff. I will let him focus on one of them. Okay, but I do need to know how much time she's going to sentence him to, and then he is going to have to report here for sentencing so that I can give my sentence of time. It won't be more than 30 days.
Judge, can we adjourn this then until after the 26th so we know for sure how long he's in?
Yes, we can. And then based on what she says, and how much time she gives, I will take that into consideration. But I can tell you right now, Mr. Williams, if it's only 30 days, you will have additional time here in Wayne County. But we'll see how much time she ends up giving you on that date and at that time. And the court is going to do an in-person sentencing on my matter. So I'll set it for that's when you want to
So he would be still in jail through the 26th of November.
Okay, I'm gonna adjourn this until October the 27th, okay? I'm just gonna have you come on, Attorney Dwyer, and then you can be able to tell me what the sentence was at that point in time, and we can set something, in the future next year. I won't take away his holidays, so. that way we'll be-
That's fair. That's fair enough. That's appreciated greatly. Is there any way we could do it Monday, November 1st? I just have two things already on the 27th on Zoom.
Yes, that works. That works. So you understand what we're doing today, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm already committing and letting you know that you're most likely going to get jail time. I'm not gonna do more than 30 days. However, I want to see what the sentence of the higher court than I gives you on this particular matter. And I'm gonna have you physically come in. In conjunction with my sentence, I'm most likely not going to give you any probation because I don't think that having you come to our county and their county as well, and that's one of the reasons why I'm considering doing jail time. That way, after you finish your jail time, you just have to do all the terms and conditions in Oakland County for their probationary services, okay?
So we'll be repeating probation, Lavelle. It'll be a flat jail term unless the judge changes their mind. And I'm going to appear in person on Monday, November 1st to inform the judge. Is that correct, or am I appearing by Zoom?
You're appearing by Zoom. I apologize. And what I was thinking originally is that I was going to have him come and appear before the court in person because I'm going to have to do an in-person sentencing when I finally do it. But since we're just going to be picking days and me understanding what they did, you can just appear via Zoom.
Okay, then I'll appear. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. I'm sorry. I'll appear, Judge Teller, by Zoom on Monday, November 1st to inform the court of what his sentence is. He'll be in jail there and pick a new date in January for him to serve his jail sentence in Detroit and Wayne County for this case, and then he will be released without any probation. Do you understand, Mr. Williams?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Thanks very much, Judge. Have a good weekend. Take care.
You too. Okay, Mr. Williams. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I'm going to do. But I know that you have childcare. You expressed a lot on the record last time, and I am taking that into consideration. But I just cannot.
Yes, ma'am.
Not give you some jail time on this matter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We appreciate your kind consideration and thoughtfulness in weighing all the options here, Judge. I'm sure he does. He's learned a lot. He had a long talk with me yesterday. I was actually very impressed with this online class he took. He had a lot of knowledge and thoughts from that about his prior behavior. He admits he's an alcoholic. He knows he won't be driving for a long time. And he has a mature attitude about this. He also started his classes at his university. I don't know what's going to happen to that when he's in jail, but he'll have to figure something out. So he is making every effort he can.
And
All right.
I'd like to take that into consideration. But if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend. All right, Mr. Williams, you can leave now.
Thank you.
Leave the.
Okay, Mr. Williams.
I'm trying to let go, Your Honor.
It's okay. You want me to release you, sir?
Please.
Okay, I will. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.